Coverage of the paint on the grass is greatly enhanced by using our bespoke nozzles. The nozzle handles the correct flow and optimum angle to ensure maximum atomization and performance. But it's important to have the right nozzle height so that no paint is wasted and you get the strongest line possible. The ideal height of the discs to the nozzle is to have the spray pattern touching the bottom 1 mm of the discs, as you can see on screen. Too low and the paint will spray underneath the discs and out onto the surface, and too high and it will run down the discs. To adjust the height of the discs, simply unscrew the hand wheel and raise or lower them to the correct height.